Manufacturing and retail move fast. The amount of products, raw materials and information being exchanged is constantly increasing. Goods are made and distributed in a global market without borders. The logistics industry is what guarantees that the flow never stops. It is a constantly evolving sector that foresees and adapts to change. Warehouses are increasingly automated, interconnected, and capable of anticipating shipments and needs. Commodities are carried by planes, ships, and motor vehicles. The new frontier of logistics combines rail, sea, air, and road transportation with increasingly smart, safe connections. The industry is committed to sustainability, reducing the impact that the movement of goods has on the planet. Sophisticated, interconnected, environmentally friendly systems that enable vehicles and freight to be controlled remotely. They deploy all the innovations of Industry 4.0 with a person-centered approach, the driving force behind logistics and transportation. Goods not only travel in crates and containers, but often take complex paths that have to guarantee temperature and security, as is the case with food and pharmaceuticals. Packaging and packing systems are two new challenges. Technology enables perishable goods to be transported and preserved. Taking a green approach means using packing and packaging solutions that are easy to recycle and do not have an impact on the environment. Logistics and transportation is a growing, developing industry that offers a wealth of career opportunities in the near future. Some unexplored, some new, some with enormous potential. IT experts, managers, qualified technicians. These are just some of the openings. Because logistics, transportation and shipping are growing just like you.